Damn,
what the fuck are you talking about, man?
You gonna do something.
You can't elevate shit with your fucking mind, man.
You ain't gonna
You can see through walls too, huh?
Damn,
you can see through walls too. What the fuck?
You too,
What the fuck?
Die, bitches. We are balls to motherfucking walls here. We got AR-15s on back of mopeds. Also, Little Debbie golf carts with clowns with blue hair carrying 45s and cricket lighters bouncing all over the place. We are crazy here at Zymology Inc.